quiet. Sound decibels? Go ahead. What it sounds like after.
Alright guys, we got a 2023 BMW 330i. Really beautiful car, 4-cylinder turbo. What we got done on it, converter up there by the motor, then 3.5-inch squish pipe all the way into a secondary converter right there. It's half converter, half resonator. So as you guys can see, that's why it's cut in the middle. I think the European ones don't come with the converter, just the American ones. Anyways, then it continues 3.5-inch all the way back. Look at that design, how they squished it to make that turn. It's crazy. And then what we did is a custom muffler delete. So when you guys need to do a muffler delete, that's how you have to do it. Show this to the shop that you take it to, and then make sure they zip tie or weld the valve out of the way, so the car knows that it still has the valve, so it works, opens and closes like it's supposed to right there. And that's how you do a muffler delete on it. And then we have some carbon fiber tips out the back on each side. We installed them earlier, but we did a custom Y pipe on it, we built in-house and everything. Came out really nice, really clean. And there's the muffler that was on it. That's the outlet on this side, outlet on this side, and then inlet is right here on this side. As you guys can see right there, huge muffler that we just cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, come and say hi. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, BMW 2023 330i. Look at how happy he is. He's hiding. Look. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. 106. So when you really get on, it's about 110, 112. Again. Oh, this sounds so good. You like it? Are you happy?
I love it. It's perfect. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet.
It's just clean. Sounds so good. What that noise is the valve opening and closing. Let you guys hear on the inside.
With the updated screen. Beautiful.
BMW 330i turbo 4-cylinder muffler delete. That's a really beautiful car. Sexy. As always, the new cars look so good on these. I don't know. beautiful. Enjoy, guys.